lecture number 22. Let us proceed with the last part of the lesson, that is isomerism. Abhi isomerism in this way, you know what is the meaning of isomerism, no need to explain this, right? Okay, abhi isme the isomerism is classified into two, that is geometrical and optical isomerism. Abhi ye do jo isomerisms hai, what will I do is, it's a straightforward question asked in the exam. And in that case, I will prepare a chart and I'll display it in the group, and every one of you have to go through the chart and then you read the text, you will come to know about it. I will not explain it in the lecture because there is nothing to explain, like you know what is the meaning of cis and trans, वो सिर्फ फॉर्मूला अगर दिया है तो वो जस्ट देखने का कि वो कहाँ पे फिट होता है, that's all. Okay, so these two I will complete in the chart and display in the group. Okay, the thing is clear. Next, now the next part is the structural isomerism. Structural isomerism again classified into ionization, linkage, coordination and solvate isomerism. Now let us go one by one. The very first is called as the ionization isomerism. Now, what do you mean by ionization isomerism? Now, यहाँ पे there is an exchange of the ions taking place inside and outside the coordination sphere. Abhi they have got the same formula, but they will produce the different ions in the solution, and it is also called as the ion-ion exchange isomerism. Now see, I have given here two examples. We have written the compounds, the color of the compound is different. The ions present in the compounds, the solutions, they are different. Now these two are the isomers of each other, where there is an exchange of the ions. अभी कौन सा ion exchange हुआ? Bromide and sulfate ions inside and outside the coordination sphere. अभी ये जो aqueous, अभी ये जो एक part है, ये HO complex है, it will give a precipitate of AgBr on treatment with AgNO3 because it contains Br minus, while ये जो B compound है, that will give a precipitate of BaSO4 when it is treated with barium chloride because it contains the sulfate ions. So what is it? That is ionization isomerism, where it is the exchange of ions taking place, and see, and then you get the different ions which are present in the solution. We have given an example over here. The next is linkage isomerism. ये easy है. As you know, nitro, nitrito. Okay. Now in this, the same ligand is there, but then it is bonded to the central metal atom through the different atoms. That is called as the linkage. वो कैसे लिंक किया है? That is linked in the different way. That is called as the linkage isomerism. Nitro है ना? Nitro में it can be joined through N, as we have read in this example. लेकिन उसका कलर अलग है, that is yellow. The same nitrite joined by O, the color of the complex is red. See, that is called as the linkage isomerism because linkage जो है वो अलग है in both the cases. That is called as the linkage isomerism, and these it is only possible with the help of ambidentate ligands. Ambidentate ligands का मतलब you know. What are the examples? Cyanide, Cn minus, thiocyanate. These are the examples of ambidentate ligands. So इसमें linkage कहाँ से होता है? That is important. The third we go for, that is called as the coordination isomerism. What do you mean by coordination isomerism? अभी यहाँ पे it is same, again molecular formula is same, but there is an exchange of the ligands between cationic and anionic entities. मतलब क्या? See, we have given an example over here. Ligands are exchanged. There is an exchange of the ligands. Okay, अभी first example देखो, it is CuNH3 4 and PtCl4. अभी next example में what has happened? Pt is attached to NH4. मतलब क्या हुआ? Exchange of ligand takes place. That is called as the coordination isomerism. Okay, now the last part, it is called as the hydrate isomerism. Hydrated isomerism मतलब क्या? In the hydrate isomerism, there is an exchange of water molecule inside and outside the coordination sphere. Hydrate isomers, they have got same molecular formula, but what they differ in? They differ in the number of the molecules of water inside and outside the coordination sphere. Like we have given the examples over here. You can see the examples. See the different examples we have written. The first example is CrH2O6Cl3. यहाँ पे water molecules कितने? Inside 6, outside कितने हैं? 0. सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल में इनसाइड कितने हैं? 5, आउटसाइड कितने हैं? 1. The color of the ligand is, the color of the complex is different. I have written the colors over there. Okay. So now the solution of A, B, C, when they are treated with excess of silver nitrate, produce the different amounts of the precipitate. That is 3:2:1. So this is the example of a hydrate isomerism. So that is all about the coordination compounds. The lesson is over. You have to follow the chart for the geometrical isomerism as well as the optical isomerism. Go through the lesson. Solve maximum number of examples. IUPAC nomenclature maximum solve karo. If you have a doubt, do ask me. Okay, now then we proceed with the next lesson from the next lecture.